Sure. So today we just started with the telescope beta. What is the telescope I told you? It is an instrument which is used to see what? Distant objects.
Objects, yes, sir.
So
Right.
two different types of your telescopes beta. What are they? One is refracting telescope, another is reflecting telescope.
Reflecting.
In the refracting telescope, we take the help of lenses, and in the reflecting telescopes, we take the help of your mirrors.
Mirrors.
In our syllabus, refracting telescopes is again of two types beta. One is astronomical, another one is terrestrial. In astronomical, final image is always formed inverted, whereas in the terrestrial means the object, the lenses or the telescope which are used to see the objects which are on the surface of Earth. Terrestrial animals antam kada. So that is the way
Yes,
we are calling it terrestrial. So for this one, final image is always erect. In
Yes,
reflecting telescope, we are having two beta. One is Newtonian, another one is Casgarian. In Newtonian, we take the help of plane mirror and concave mirror, and Casgarian, we take the help of your convex and concave mirror. And we already know how do you calculate the magnifying power of any telescope beta. Magnifying power is always equals to your visual angle formed by the final image divided by
the visual angle formed
made by the object.
Objects.
Isn't it? Now, let us try to talk about your first one, astronomical telescope. Okay, so what is an astronomical telescope beta? So astronomical
used to see
heavenly objects.
heavenly objects.
So in this one, objective lens is larger focal length and the eyepiece is smaller one. You might have been seeing the lenses like this. So this will be something like this. If you might have been seeing.
Yes, sir.
You will be seeing from your eye right now here. So this is your eye. So this one will be larger. So this is nearer to the eye but this one is eyepiece, and this one is near towards the object but this one is of your objective part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now if I am talking about the lens right now, so this will be the lens something like this. So this one will be the lens which is being nearer to the object. So the lens first I'm taking, this one is say for example for me an object, and this one is your principal axis, and this one is say for example our eye lens.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your focal length right now. This is the plane of this one, and this is the plane of this one. So this is the focal length of what beta? Objective, and this is the focal length of your eyepiece.
Eyepiece, yes.
So if you want to see the intensity better, then we need to have a large number of your incident rays to be incident on this one. So any of objective lens is nothing but what beta? Convex lens of larger focal length and larger aperture. Okay, and it faces towards the object. So this one is of your objective lens. Right with this. So this one is your objective lens. And this one is your eyepiece. Eyepiece focal length is nothing but equal to what beta? Smaller one. And it faces towards your eye. Okay. And large number of rays are being incident on objective beta. Like say some large number of incident rays are being incident on your objective rays part of relation. Is that clear? Now object is object is at your infinity. Object is at your infinity. So when a ray of light from the infinity is being incident on this one like this.
Sir, infinity nunchi parallel vastadi sir, isn't it?
Parallel gaane vastayi kada.
And parallel to the principal.
Yeah, parallel. And bro, manamu if you are seeing the rays which are being on the surface.
Okay, yeah, they're upright, sir. Yes.
Inclined kada.
Yes, sir. Inclined. Yes.
So this one is the ray of light. So that is the reason we are taking like, because I can't draw cross-link total diagram now. That is the reason I'm just making the rays diagram to be that one like that. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Then if I'm talking about this one, this rays will be meeting somewhere here, right? Okay. And if I'm taking even this one, this ray will be incident right now. It's passing through center and it is meeting somewhere here. Okay. So final image is somewhere here, right? Very large body is being made to be very small. So here is your larger body, Ankunda. So this one is your A and this one is of your B. The image of this one will become here B dash and as well as of your A dash. Object is making an angle alpha. This is alpha. This angle is also your alpha. Okay. So when you know that when the rays are meeting means the distance from here to here will become for me focal length of your objective.
Yes.
Length of your objective part. Now the rays of light from this one will incident onto this one like this beta. The another ray of light will pass through the center like this. if somewhere is my eye right now here, and if I'm seeing this one, so this will be extended in the backward direction, beta.
Yes, sir.
So if I extend this one in the backward direction, the image
Will be-
formation is somewhere here.
Yes.
Okay, so this one
Yes.
will be your A double dash, and this one will be your B double dash.
Yes.
Here, and this is the angle made by the image kabatti. I'll take this angle as of your beta.
Yes, sir.
Now the image formed by the objective will act as of your object for the eyepiece. It will be,
Eyepiece. Yes, sir.
isn't it? This is the center for this one O, and this is the center for this one O. Is that clear?
So A dash is like the object for the
Yeah,
eyepiece.
image of the objective will be the object for the eyepiece. Ante kada?
Eyepiece. Yes.
Isn't it? So now calculate the values
Yes.
of tan alpha and tan beta. Tell me what is tan alpha from the given figure. Tan alpha is equals to, the angle is very, very small, but this one will become for me A dash B dash here in this triangle. O B dash,
A dash. Yes, sir.
divided by your focal length. That is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
F naught. Angle is very small, kabatti alpha is equals to, this will become A dash B dash divided by focal length F naught. Clear? The same way tan
Yes.
beta. See the figure. Tan beta is equal to how much beta? A dash B dash and O. So that will be equal to how much beta again? A dash B dash divided by your objective distance, that is nothing but UE. Okay.
Yes.
Objective distance, that is nothing but of your UE part of relation. Now angle is very, very small, so this will become for me beta.
Beta. Yes.
Is equals to A dash B dash divided by your object length of your eye.
Yes. You.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This rays of light will go right now here, and here will be seen by the image. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me magnification beta. Magnification will be equal to how much for me? Magnification is equals to your beta
Beta
divided
by
alpha.
alpha.
Beta
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to your A dash B dash divided by your UE divided by alpha. Alpha is your A dash B dash divided by F naught. So in this one,
Yes.
A dash and this one will get cancelled. So this will, F naught will go up. So this will become for me your focal length of objective divided by your UE.
Yes, sir.
So magnification formula for the astronomical telescope will be F naught divided by your UE in terms of magnitude. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What will be the length of the microscope beta? From here to here, this will be the length of the microscope. So this length will be equal to what beta? F naught plus of your UE. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So
F naught
length
plus
of your microscope will be equal to your how much? Length of your, sorry, telescope. Telescope will be, this L will be equal to how much beta? Magnitude of focal length plus magnitude of your eyepiece.
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to your L. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the magnifying power. So magnifying power or angular magnifying power, there is a general formula for this one. So M is equals to your F naught divided by your UE part of relation. Clear beta?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Again, I told you that we'll be talking about your every time two cases, that is for the maximum magnification and your minimum magnification.
Minimum magnification. Yes.
So when final image is at your near point, if I'm talking about first one is nothing but your what? Near point. Near point means what beta? Maximum magnification.
Maximum magnification. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this will be your maximum magnification. Maximum magnification. Is it recording beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So near point, maximum magnification. Okay. So now tell me, near point means what beta? Final image is formed at least distant of distinct vision. So V is equals to
20.
minus D. Object distance will be equal to minus of your UE, and focal length of this one will become for me FE.
Yes.
So from length formula, from your length formula, what is the length formula beta? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to your 1 by U. So 1 by V is nothing but of your what beta? Minus of D minus 1 by this is your UE, that is equals to, this is the focal length of your eyepiece.
Yes.
So 1 by FE will become how much beta? 1 by your FE is equals to your minus of 1 by D plus of your 1 by your UE. Isn't it? So
Yes.
from this one, I can write 1 by UE is equals to how much better? 1 by FE plus of your 1 by D. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Now magnification already we know. What is the magnification? M is equals to F into 1 by UE and raskovachu kada.
Yes, sir.
So for
Yes,
this
sir.
one, magnification will become for me, but M is equals to F naught divided by UE. Na? So this is nothing but if your F naught into 1 by UE only. Na? So 1 by UE value I can write here right now. So this will become for me M is equals to F naught into, this will become for me 1 by your FE plus of your 1 by your capital D.
Yes.
Isn't it? So what I can take common in this one beta. So if I'm still simplifying this one, this will be F naught divided by your FE if I'm taking out. This should be equal to 1 plus of your FE by D here.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the magnification for the astronomical telescope formula. M is equals to F naught divided by FE into 1 plus of your FE by D. So for maximum magnification, final image is always formed at the least distant of
Least distance of distance.
Is it strained position or unstrained position?
So strained, sir.
Yeah, this one is your strained eye. We can write here.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Case number 2. What is your case number 2, beta? Case number 2.
Sir, it's far point, sir.
Far
Means
point.
it.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
your far point.
Minimum mag.
Yeah, we can write this one as of your minimum magnification. Minimum magnification.
Yes.
Or we can say even this one as of your normal adjustment.
Yes.
Normal adjustment and minimum point. Or it is what type of a position better? Relaxed position of your eye.
Yes, sir.
Relaxed position of your eye. So these are the different namings for this one. Whether I use a word called far point or a minimum magnification or normal magnification or relaxed position of eye, that will be one and the same. So in this
Yes,
one, there is the final image formed better. Final image is formed in this one. Final image is formed in this one at your infinity.
Yes, sir.
Object will be equal to minus of your UE. Focal length will be equal to your focal length of eyepiece. So from lens formula, from your lens formula, we can use 1 by V minus of 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Isn't it?
Yes.
So 1 by U is nothing but what beta? 1 by minus of your infinity minus 1 by, this is minus of UE, that is equals to 1 by focal length of your eyepiece. Convex kabatti focal length is obviously positive.
Yes.
1 by infinity is how much? 0. So minus minus a plus, so it is 1 by UE will be equal to your 1 by FE.
Yes, sir.
What is 1 by UE here? 1 by your FE. Now tell me magnification formula beta. Magnification is equals to how much for me? M is equals to your F naught into 1 by UE. So that means that can be written as of your F naught divided by 1 by UE is nothing but 1 by FE.
Yes, sir.
So magnification formula is becoming for me how much better? Focal length of objective divided by focal length of your eyepiece will be the magnification for your far point, for magnification for the far point part definition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So these are the basic formulas you need to remember for doing the numericals related to this condition. Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
No doubt on the
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Clear the concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me give you one small question related to this one. See, the sum of focal lengths of two lenses of a refracting telescope is 105 centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
The focal length of one lens is 20 times that of other. So determine the total magnification. Total magnification of the telescope when final image is formed at least distant of distinct vision, that is capital T. Will you do it better?
Yes.
So try to do it. First option is 12, second option is 20, third option is 15, and fourth option is 24. See which option you are getting. I'll give you a minute of your time.
Yes.
Try to do it out. First write the data.
So we can take F naught and F plus FE is equals to 105, right, sir?
F naught plus FE as 105. Yeah.
And the focal length of one lens is
Yeah.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు one lens అంటే the bigger one will be anyways it will be focal length of object, right, sir?
Exactly.
So focal length 20 times focal length of eyepiece plus అంటే ఆ 20 focal length of object we can consider as 20 FE, right, sir?
Yeah, 20 times of FE. Ante.
So 20 FE plus FE is equals to 105.
Hmm.
From that we'll get the FE value, right, sir?
Yeah. Tell me now what is the
And
focal length? Focal length of your objective. Focal length of your objective plus focal length of eyepiece. That is how much for me? 105.
yes, sir, 105,
The
sir.
sum of the focal length of the two lenses of refracting telescopes is 105. The focal length of one lens is 20 times that of the other. That means focal length of your objective is equals to 20 times the
20
focal
times
length
the
of your eyepiece. Because you know
Yes,
the focal length of objective is more, kada.
yes, sir, yes.
So that is the reason that one. That means if not, I can write as 20 times of FE plus this one is your FE, that is equals to 105.
105,
That means
yes,
this will
sir.
become for me 21 times of
21.
FE is equals to 105. So focal
Yes,
length
sir.
of eyepiece will be equal to 105
105
divided
divided
by
by
21.
21, sir.
So this one will become how much for me?
20, 105. 5 times, sir.
5 times, sir?
Yes, sir, 5. 21 ones are 5, sir.
So this will be your 25. That means 5. Focal length of your eyepiece is this much. And focal length of objective will become how much better? 20 into 5. Isn't it? So that will become for
Yes,
me how
sir.
much? 100. So focal
Yes,
length
sir.
of your objective is equals to 100. Focal length of your eyepiece is equals to your 5.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is
అంటే
asking
అప్పుడు
me to
100 by 5, sir.
determine the total magnification of the telescope when final image is formed at D. That means strained position. For strained
Yes,
position, for near point, or we can use your strained eye. Or what is the
focal
name
length
for
of
this one?
object
Beta?
by
Maximum
maximum
magnification.
magnification.
So for these are the conditions.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? What is the formula for this one? Just now I told you. Magnification
Focal length of object by
equals to
focal
focal
length
length of object divided by focal length of your eyepiece. 1 plus focal length of eyepiece divided by what beta? Least distant of distant vision. What is
Yes,
the value of least distant of distant vision?
25, sir.
25 centimeters. Focal
Yes,
length of
sir.
objective in the 100.
100.
Focal length of eyepiece is 5
5.
into 1 plus eyepiece is 5 divided by 25. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
become how much for meter? 5 ones are. This will become for me how much?
20, sir.
5 20.
520, sir.
So 5 ones are, this one is 5 5s are. So
5
this will
fives.
become for me 20 into
20 by
1
5.
plus 1 by 5. 1 plus
Yes,
1
sir.
by
So
5 is how
20
much?
plus
This
5,
will
6
be
by
equal to
5, sir.
20 into, this will become for me how much? 6 by
6 by
5.
5, sir.
So it will 5 ones are, this will become for me 5 4s are.
5 4, sir.
6 4s are 24.
24, sir.
So 24 will be the answer for this. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
24 will be the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Any doubt in this one now?
No, sir.
Sure. One more question. Say for example, a telescope objective has a focal length of 100 centimeter. Okay, when
Yes.
the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, least distance of your distinct vision, the distance between the lenses is the distance between lenses is 105 centimeters. Calculate the focal length. Calculate the focal length of your eyepiece. Okay, and also the magnifying power. And the magnifying power of telescope. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, same like previous one.
Yes, sir.
So what we need right now, where it is at least distant of distinct vision, that means
Sir, maximum magnification.
maximum magnification. Magnification formula చెప్పు sorry, m is equals to magnification.
Sir, f naught
m
by
is equals to f naught
f
divided
naught
by
by
your
fe
fe into
into
1
1
plus
plus
fe
fe
divided
divided by t. Yes.
Isn't it? So now what is given data? Telescope of objective. That means focal length of your
F naught
objective
is
is how much? 100 centimeter. The image is formed at least distant of distinct vision.
yes.
That means what? V is equals to 25 centimeters. Capital D is equals to 25 centimeters. The distance between the lenses is, the distance between the lenses means what, beta? What is the distance between the two lenses? L. L
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to how much for me? 105 centimeters. So this will be F naught plus of your Fe is equals to 105. F naught
Yes,
is
sir.
already 100 plus of your Fe
Means
that is
Fe
equals
is
to 105.
5, sir.
So focal length of eyepiece, how much I'm getting?
5, sir.
Focal length of eyepiece is 5. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So now calculate the focal length of your eyepiece and magnifying power is asking. The focal length of eyepiece is 5
Eyepiece we got it, sir.
and magnifying is equal to
Magnifying
how much?
power 100
Magnifying
by
power
5.
will be equal to it is 100
5 by
divided
100,
by
sir.
5 100 other
Sorry,
not
sorry. 100 by 5. Yes.
so into your one place focal length of eyepiece is 5 by
5 by
25
25.
5 ones
Yes.
are 5 5s are 5 ones
Same.
are 5 20s
Yes, sir.
అంతేనా
Same 24 వస్తుంది.
24 వస్తుందా
Yes, sir. 5 అంటే 1 plus 1 by 5 అంటే 6
అంతే
by
కదా
5
so this one will be equal to 20
into 6 by
20
20 into
into
6 by 5.
6 by 5
5 ones are 4s are 6 into 4 24.
yeah. అంతే కదా
Yes, sir.
distance between the object and this one so focal length will be equal to how much beta 5 and this one will be equal to how much 5 ones are this one is 5 4s are
Yes.
4 6 are 20 అంతేనా
Yes.
am I doing anywhere wrong object is given for me beta a telescope of objective has a focal length of 100 centimeter when the image of the length when the image is being formed at least distant of distinct vision the distance between the lenses is 105 centimeters okay fine clear okay
Yes.
na? Picture అంతే కదా
Yes.
calculate the focal length of the eyepiece and also the magnifying of that one fine that is correct clear huh?
Yes. Done, sir. Got it, sir. Sir, is it raining there, sir?
no beta
It was raining, sir, here.
raining ah
It was, sir. ఇప్పుడు పడట్లేదు, sir.
ఆగిపోయిందా
Yes.
Now, almost all the questions will be like this only, but I hope you can do such type of a questions
Yes, sir.
easily. Na? Isn't
Sir,
it?
today can you send the questions, sir?
Yeah, today I'll try to send you the questions because so that you can do it or some questions related to that.
Yes.
Let me check with some other questions also if I can get it out. Yeah. See this one question. In a compound microscope, focal length of your objective lens is 1.2 centimeter, and focal length of eyepiece is 3 centimeter when object is at 1.25 centimeter in front of objective. Final image is formed at infinity. Okay, magnifying power is how much?
Focal length of object.
Magnifying power is equals to how much?
So this is direct, we can do, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, f naught is equals to 1.2, sir. F of
This
eyepiece.
is how much for me? Focal length of objective. Yeah, focal length of objective is how much for me? 1.2 centimeter. Then focal length of eyepiece. Focal length of eyepiece is 3.0 centimeter. Object
Yes,
is
sir.
kept at a distance of your. Object is kept at what distance, beta?
1.25, sir.
So object means objective. O objective is equals to minus of 1.25 centimeters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lens గుర్తుందా compound microscope కి ఎలా రాస్తాం మనం? First lens will be small and
Second will be large.
second will be your larger. This will be your principal axis. So this will
Yes,
be your objective, this will be your eyepiece. Object will be somewhere in front of this one better. So this will be your objective. So from here to here, this distance will be the object.
Yes.
So this object distance is given how much for me? 1.25 centimeter. Focal length
Yes,
of
sir.
is given for me. So now what is asking? Magnifying power. Magnifying power means what better? What is the direct shortcut formula I told you? Magnifying power is equals to magnifying power of your objective into magnifying power of your eyepiece. Can you try it out better once?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, I'll give it 2 minutes. వచ్చిందా నాన్న?
Sir, we have to use until we have to use V naught by that one, right, sir?
Yeah, we need to use the lens formula కదా.
Yes, sir. V naught by U.
Yeah, m naught ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం చెప్పు మనం? Magnifying power of eyepiece ante that will be equal to how much for me? Eyepiece is nothing but like a simple microscope kada. I told you.
Yes, sir.
A simple microscope ME will be equal to how much beta? Magnifying power of your eyepiece will be equal to D by FE.
D by FE, yes, sir.
And magnification of your objective will be equal to how much beta? Image of your object divided by your object distance.
Yes, sir. So that into this
multiplication. మన దగ్గర ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? We are having U naught.
Yes, sir.
We don't know the value of V naught.
V naught, you have to.
So I can calculate the value of your V naught.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So we need to calculate the value of your V naught part. In terms of your focal length, I can write this one also in terms of focal length beta. This will become for me F divided by U plus of your F.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this D by your FE. D is already known for me. D is how much for me? 25 centimeters. Focal length of eyepiece is how much for me? 3. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So this is the magnification of eyepiece. So eyepiece, you got it. We need to get the value of M naught. M naught is equal to F by over U plus of your E. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can use this formula, or else you can directly use the relation also. It's not a problem. Now tell me,
Yes.
what is the value of your V naught and what is the value of this condition?
Sir, from this V naught we'll get
V
it
naught
as
value we need to get. How do you get the value of V naught? Can you tell me? The connection mark. Yeah. Tell me the value of V naught for your eyepiece part affiliation or for the objective. If I'm writing for your objective here, for objective, what is given data beta? Objective distance is equals to minus of 1.25 centimeter. Focal length of this one is 1.2 centimeter. So I need to get
so
only
30 we are getting, sir. 30, sir.
30 వస్తుందా పక్కా?
Yes, sir.
So
Ante
let me take
1
V
by
is equals to U into F divided by U plus F kada.
yes, sir.
U value is how much beta? Minus of 1.25 into focal length is how much for me?
1.2
1.2 divided by this one is also how much for me? 1.25
1.25
plus
plus
2. ఎంత focal length?
1.2, sir.
This one is 1 point.
Yes, sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు ఇది?
Minus 1.25.
Can I cancel this minus and minus beta?
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 1.25 into 1.2 divided by 1.25 plus 1.2 is how much beta?
2.45, sir.
Minus 1.25 plus 1.2 kada.
It'll be, sir.
Minus plus minus
Minus.
kada.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1.25 నుంచి
Point.
1.2 తీసేయాలా?
Yes, sir. 0.05, sir.
0.05.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? This minus and this will go on right now.
Yes, sir.
So ఇంకేమంత అవుతుంది చూడండి.
1.5 divided by 0.05 వస్తుంది, sir.
ఎంత?
30, sir. సార్ నేను డైరెక్ట్గా లెన్స్ ఫార్ములా నుంచి చేశాను సార్, అది ఇంకా ఈజీగా. యా, అది కూడా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే
వస్తుందా?
ఎస్ 30, సార్.
Okay, I'll take this one as of your 30. So if that is your 30, then M naught I got already how much for me right now? Total M naught enta bro? M naught is equals to your how much? V naught. V naught is how much? 30.
30, sir.
Divided by your U naught. U naught
Minus
is how much? Minus 1.25 into ME. ME is your 25 divided by 3. 3 ones are, this one is 3 tens are.
Yes, sir.
Minus ఉంది ఏమన్నా? ఇక్కడ మైనస్ లేదు కదా?
లేదు సార్.
I'm not. And objective is how much for me? Minus ఉంటుంది కదా ఇది. Magnitude లో తీసుకుందాం, no problem. In terms of your magnitude take. So this will become for me positive. So this will become for me 10 divided by 1.25 into your 25.
Yes, sir. 250. 200, sir.
Sundar?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, 125 into 10 చేస్తే we'll get it as 250, sir.
Okay.
And 1.25 ని అంటే we can get as 125 divided by 100 కదా సార్. సో 125 250 చేస్తే 1s are 2s are. అది పైకి పోతే 2 into 100 200.
అంటే this will become for me 8 కదా? 8 into 25.
Yes, sir. ఇట్లా కూడా
8 into 25 will be equal to how much for me? 200.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You can even use the focal length formula and try to do it better, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just make sure of your formulas, then everything will be easily, you can do it out better, no problem with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
See this question, beta. The focal length of astronomical Japan kada neeku?
Yes, sir.
The focal length of the objective of an astronomical telescope is 75 centimeters, and that of eyepiece is 5 centimeters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Image is at your least distance of distinct vision. Okay, V is equal to D rasun direct again. So calculate the magnifying power MP of telescope. Okay, come on, try to do it. The focal length of objective of an astronomical telescope is 75, and that of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. If image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, calculate the magnifying power of the telescope. Chepala.
V is equals to D. Yeah. And the object. Sir, for F naught is 75, sir, and
Yeah.
FE is 5, sir.
F naught
And
is 75. Very good. FE is your 5 centimeter. Least distance of distinct vision will be
25, sir.
25.
And V is also
Magnifying power
25.
is equals to how much beta formula? F naught divided by Fe
Into
1 plus Fe
Fe by
divided by D.
D. Yes,
Actually,
sir.
see beta, astronomical telescope, we get the answer in terms of negative. We are removing
Yes,
the negative reason because see here, I have not taken the sign convention to be your minus U. See here in this one. ఇక్కడ జనరల్ గా ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ when I'm measuring the distance, we measure the distance from here కదా. So object distance you should be taking here as of
Okay,
your
yes,
negative,
sir.
isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So this should also come here as of your negative. But astronomical telescope, whether it becomes inverted or erect, it doesn't make any difference. So negative sign we are neglecting. Negative
Yes, sir.
sign we are neglecting. Make sure of that one.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So negative sign indicates that it is an inverted and anything. In astronomical, any images will be your inverted, isn't it? Now for this
Yes,
one, this focal length is how much for me? Objective is 75. This one is 5 into 1 plus Fe is 5 divided by
5 by 25.
5 ones are 5 fives are. So this one is how much for me?
So 5 ones are 5 15s are
5 15s are. So it is
5
15
ones are 3s
6 by 5. Antena? 5
Yes,
ones are 5 threes are. That means
18, sir.
or minus 18.
Yes, sir.
Anything. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sure. And one more is nothing but about your reflecting telescope beta. Next one and the last one. Reflecting telescope. The reflecting telescope, I told you that we'll be using what beta? Mirrors. General గా పెద్దగా ఉపయోగపడదు, but I'm roughly giving an idea. See, so this will
Yes,
be
sir.
your mirror. This will be your mirror, and this is your principal axis. Okay, so when a ray of
Yes.
light is being incident from this one beta, when a ray of light coming like now like this is being incident, it will be reflected back like this. Another ray of light from this one, which is being incident on this one, it will be reflected like this.
Sir, this they use in submarines, right, sir?
Submarines basically. And here
Yes,
we are
sir.
keeping one mirror somewhere here, isn't it? So one
Yes,
is
sir.
your objective, and this one is of your another mirror beta. So when a ray of light is being incident on this one basically, so these rays of light will be reflecting from this one. I'm not drawing roughly diagram, draw just now. So from this ray it will be reflecting back, and here also when some ray is been falling from here also it will be reflecting back, and here we'll be using some convex lens. That is nothing but of your eyepiece. Okay.
Yes.
So what type of a lens we'll be using here? Convex lens. Okay, so for this one magnifying power is taken by the formula m is equals to f naught divided by your Fe. This is known as of your Newtonian reflector. Newtonian reflector. Okay.
Yes.
So a reflecting telescope generally used to see what beta distance stars and a large side gathering power in order to obtain the bright image even at the faint stars, something. This concave mirror is in parabolic shape beta and is free from all the spherical aberrations. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and this is a mirror right now here. So whatever this one condition you're taking, this one is right now a mirror. So this one is your mirror, a plane mirror. Okay, so before the reflected rays beta, the light will be forming a real image. When this beam, if mirror would have been not formed here, the image would be what with me real inverted particulation, and it is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
a diminished. In order to make the image visible, we are keeping a plane mirror, and that reflected rays have been converging with the help of your convex lens. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So simplifying it given conditions, so this will be the basic relation you need to remember. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So one more telescope is also there, that is known as a Cassegrain telescope. అది పెద్దగా ఉపయోగపడదు బేటా. So don't take much tension related to that one. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sure, fine. ఇంకేమైనా ఉందా దీంట్లో?
No, sir.
కెమిస్ట్రీ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir. I think so.
I'm not doing the terrestrial beta because terrestrial is same formless as that of your astronomical.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what we are getting is here we'll be getting the minus signs everywhere. In minus sign in thesis, you write the formless. That will be the same answers for that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So doesn't make any much difference. Yeah, ఇంకా అన్ని అదే విధంగా ఉన్నాయి బేసికల్ గా. But there is a small understanding related to your what you call that one terrestrial. We'll be using how many lenses I told you beta? To make the inverted image in the terrestrial microscope, we'll be using one more lens in middle beta.
Yes,
So
sir.
that will become for me erect. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
In the terrestrial telescopes basically ga, instead of see how many lenses we're telling, 3 lenses. Okay, so one more lens which is being present in the between the objective and as well as of your eyepiece is used for inverting the image. మనకు astronomical telescope లో the image is inverted కదా. In order to make it erect, we'll be using the third lens. Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
remember that given condition so that the final image will be forming about the relation. But anyhow you can do it out in your IP part affiliation, so I'm not going for much depth in that one related. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this was about your ending of your all the astronomical telescope. I'll send you today one assignment related to the instruments. You try to complete that one. Now only I'll send you. Then start working on that one. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll try to start with your
Electric
statistics of electric potential. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take care, Veda. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.